wait a minute, I want to show you something. Let me scroll. Look at this one. Almost 25 websites inside this place alone, which I'm using. You know, look at this, all this app. If you have none of it, like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and some of this app, this what I want to tell you. To follow this account because you are going to benefit a lot from it. I want to be releasing a lot of secrets here. You see that I created this account for the purpose. I purposely opened this account to be showing you some secret things about some websites, applications that a lot of people make use of to do some things online, and that's giving them tons of money. I want to be giving out all these things for free, not collecting a dime here on this account. Yes, okay, wait a minute, let me show you something for you to know that this thing is real. What I'm saying is real. Let me take you to Chrome. I want to show you something there. This is the Chrome, right? This is my Chrome browser. That's my own major browsing engine. Then I click on it. If you can see, for you to know that what I'm saying is, I know what I'm saying, you will see some apps here. All this thing that you are seeing, they are apps and websites. I will take you through all of it a little bit right now. Here, if I click it, almost 2 websites inside it. Then let me scroll. Look at this one. Almost 25 websites inside this place alone, which I'm using. You know, a lot of people have some people have a lot of apps, applications, and websites, which they are collecting a lot of money from some people, you know, for them to show you guys. And I tell you that I want to show you for free. Here, look, for you to know that all once I'm saying what I know. You know, I'm saying what I know. A lot of applications here. Can you see as how I'm strolling fasting? There's some 25 apps inside one inside one folder there. You know, I fold and classify all my apps, which they have their own uses in differently. Yeah, and all these things, I say that I'm going to be showing you know how that you follow me, which you will not gain anything. Can you see? Do you see? Okay, let me start from up here. You see this one, almost 6 apps inside the folder, you know, 9 here and some 6 in some places, you know. Now let's go. This one almost 12. Let me open it for you to know that it's real. Can you see? Let's count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 19 11 12. All what you need is just give this account follow, and always try to come back and check this page, this account. Always check on it for new videos that I might probably released. Now can you see? Okay, you see a lot of it, a lot of it. They have different use, they have different functions, you know, and I'm going to show you the use of all of it here for free on this, only on this account. Those that doesn't have enough money like that to enroll, that is why I come here to be dropping some video here, which try to be watching it and act immediately, you know, put it into practice, and from there you're going to be you're going to have your own breakthrough. Yeah, a lot of, can you see, I'm still scrolling on. There's lots of apps there, there's a lot of website there, yes, which you are going to learn some things there, and I'm going to show you, teach you guys for free. All what you need is just give a follow this account, give a follow, subscribe to this account here, and then try to leave your comments. Even if you have any app or anything you see that you wish that you want to know about and you don't know, just let me know under this comment, under the comment of this video or any of my video, which anytime I'm going through the thing, I will see it and I'm going to release the video for you concerning what you ask, you know. And under this video, leave your comment here right now, leave your comment, and then give a follow this account, because you are going to benefit a lot from it. After then, save it for the benefit of the next time. Save it for the benefit of next time. I will see you in my next video.